People of the State of Michigan versus Jacob Oliver, 1922931. You're Jacob Oliver, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Oliver, you're here on a warrant that was issued way back in January of 2020 when you failed to appear for the show cause hearing. You were supposed to be here to explain why you shouldn't be held in contempt of court for not paying on your court obligations. This is a case from 2019 where you were sentenced in August of 2019 on a charge of attempted carjacking. And you were given 125 days jail, credit 125 days, and I ordered the mandatory crime victims' rights fee of $130, the mandatory state cost of $68, the mandatory DNA fee of $60, and then I indicated to you that you had to pay it within 56 days or else whatever was unpaid would increase by 20%. So no payments were paid. So now there was an additional $51.60. And then when you didn't appear for the show cause hearing, the warrant was issued, there was another $15. So it's now $324.60 that's owed. So that's where we're at, okay?
Thank you for that. That was my misunderstanding. I was like, oh, no. Yeah, I thought it was some dumb shit. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. No. See, so those are mandatory fees that I don't have any discretion. The state says.
No, that it makes sense now.
Okay. All right. So the goal here is to just get this money taken care of, to get it paid off. We're going to put you on a payment plan of $50 a month, and if you want to pay more than that, you can. But if you pay $50 a month, you don't have to come to court every month. If you can't pay the $50, come to court and explain what's going on. So your next court date is June 21st. You have between now and then to pay $50, and if you pay the $50, then they're going to give you a notice for July. And then if you pay the $50, they'll give you a notice for August. If you want to pay it all off and get rid of it, you can do that. If you can't afford to make a payment, come in and explain to me what's going on, and then we'll give you a new date. But if you don't make the payment and don't show up in court, well, then a warrant gets issued. And we send you the warrant, even though we don't have to, we send you the warrant as a courtesy to say, hey, you missed court. We don't want to have to waste an officer's time. We don't want to ask the jail's time. We don't want to waste your time. Come on in and take care of it. But, so that's why we need your current address, okay? So I'm indicating 1 day, credit 1 day served. Your next court date's June 21st, and just make sure you get the payment in or show up in court on that date.
No, I got a picture waiting. It was a misconception. I thought it was something that it wasn't. I apologize.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, no problem, Mr. Oliver. We'll see you.